Hey guys, it's Retro Dabbers. I just opened this bundle for 2,000 NBA cash, so let me just take the screenshot for this one now. And let's just open this pack. Let's see what I get. Okay, and it will look like Sony that. Okay, let's reveal all. Okay, I'm gonna put these in the sets. And then I'll put these in the sets. Guys, I'll do these things later. I'm just gonna reveal all and then just boom. Any elites and nope. I just want an elite. Come on, bang. Any elites? Darn. Come on. And elites. Come on, come on. Okay. Here's my topper. I'm gonna get 3 golds or maybe an elite. Ooh, a Dwayne Wade? I've never seen that card. Well, so much NBA cash I have left. I'm gonna open this starter pack. Please get an elite. Come on, and 2 Rockets players. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to sets and complete this. God, I can do 2 of these. And I get another pack. Let's see what I get. Wait. Oh, I only get 1 player? Oh, you have it to gold? Wait, I can open another one. Yay. Put that in there. And then I get the pack. Let's see who I get. And did I get an elite? Darn. Okay, I'm gonna open another one of these players. Okay. I'm just gonna put these in there. And now let's see if I can get an elite. Oh my god! So close! Come on! Come on now! I was so close to getting one. Oh my gosh, can I please buy another one, please? Come on, come on, come on. Come on, is there anything available? Anything? No, my god. Is there anything else I can buy in the store? Anything? Come on. Nothing? I can buy a pro pack, but not. Nothing else. Oh my gosh. Well, I guess that'll be it for the video, guys. Hope you subscribe, and I'm out. Peace.